so now we're going to filter the culture from our enriched isolation, filter sterilizing it. And so what we're going to need is we're going to need our little filter. We're going to need a syringe, and we are going to need a microfuge tube, and then obviously our culture. So first we're going to shake out. I'm going to go ahead and label it before we get started. And then while you're doing this, obviously since we're filter sterilizing, it's very important to try to remain sterile. Right? So but this syringe doesn't have to remain sterile because you're going to be filtering through the syringe. So you can take that plunger out. Then I'm going to go ahead and loosen the cap for the culture. Then we're going to assemble our filter. And so this side of the filter is non-sterile, so we don't really have to worry about that. We want to keep this side as sterile as possible. So for this, we're going to screw on the syringe, and then I'm going to let that set there for a second. I'm going to open up the microfuge tube, and I'm going to quickly and carefully put that on top of the microfuge tube, making sure that that is in the correct position there. Now I'm going to open up my volumetric pipetter. And here, I'm going to get 1.5 milliliters of my culture. You want to be careful to try not to touch your pipette to the sides of the tube if you don't have to. Just in case you would want to use that culture later, you don't want to contaminate anything. We're done with that. We can take the plunger and stick it back in the top of the syringe. And we can kind of watch as we filter it through. As you push down, it filters through the filter, and then you should have your sterile solution.
Okay, so we're going to do a spot test, and before you do your spot test, whenever you put the bacteria actually on the plate, you labeled your plate. And so I'm going to be doing 3 different samples, and then also a negative control. So testing 3 different phages and then a negative control, and your negative control will be phage buffer. If you have spots in that area, then your test wasn't done. You're going to make sure you're pipetting your phage into the correct area on your spot plate, and it's obviously reversed whenever you put it down, but just remember where you put your labels. So to do a spot test, you're just going to take 3 microliters of your phage sample and pipette it on the plate, and make sure to not touch the plate whenever you pipette it, but you do want to get low to the plate so you don't splash the phage in other areas of the plate. And then whenever you finish putting your spots on your plate, make sure that you leave your plate undisturbed and don't move it around.